ABT Microsessions. My passion for cooking. Vocabulary. Cooking. Baking. International cuisine. Experimenting. Satisfying. Relaxing. Connecting. Passionate. Ingredients. Flavors. Let's read.
I love to cook. It's a hobby that I find both relaxing and rewarding. I enjoy experimenting with different ingredients and flavors, and I love the satisfaction of creating a delicious meal. I started cooking when I was young, and I've been hooked ever since. I'm particularly interested in international cuisine. I love trying new dishes from different countries and learning about different cooking techniques. I've recently been experimenting with Thai food, and I'm really enjoying it. I've also been learning how to make sushi, which is a bit tricky but very satisfying. In addition to cooking, I also enjoy baking. I love the smell of fresh bread and the taste of a homemade cake. I've been trying to perfect my chocolate chip cookie recipe, and I think I'm getting pretty close. Cooking is a great way to relax and de-stress. It's also a great way to connect with friends and family. I often invite my friends over for dinner parties, and we have a lot of fun cooking and eating together. I'm passionate about cooking, and I plan to continue to learn and grow as a cook. I hope to one day open my own restaurant.
Now, let's answer. What is the author's favorite hobby? What kind of food does the author enjoy cooking? Why does the author like cooking? Think about it. Practice your answers. Share it in the comments. See you soon. Bye.